Greetings to you all, students. Hope you all are safe and fine. I welcome you all once again to this class. Hope you all are enjoying this class, whatever we are teaching you all. Children, can you see our textbook on the screen? Yes, this is your computer textbook, Information and Communication Technology. This is the first page of your textbook. I hope that you all bought your textbook from the school. And this is our chapters, units. First lesson we have already done, Computer Fundamentals. And now we are studying about Introduction to Windows 7. Shall we have a quick recap what we have studied in the previous class? We have studied about input and output devices. We studied about storage devices. We studied Introduction to Windows 7. Features of Windows 7. Files and folders. Drives. Windows. Explorer. File management. Then we studied about open a file folder, rename a file folders, copy a file folder, move a file folder, delete a file folder. All these things we studied in the last class. So children, shall we start listening to today's class? Yes. Today's class key concepts we are going to study is viewing files and folders. Viewing files and folders. The first one we are going to study about extra large icons, medium icons, small icons, list, details, tiles and content. These are the things that we are going to study in this lesson. First, we shall see about viewing of files and folders. Change your view button helps to view the files and folders in different ways. The option is available in upper right corner of the window. The files folders can be viewed by right clicking at any blank area and selecting the option view. Okay, you can see the diagram over there. Okay, if you want to view any files and folders, whatever you have done in the previous class or any saving folders, you first have to view your files and folders. The option is available in upper right corner of the window. Then the files and folders will be viewed by right clicking at any blank area and selecting the option view. And then next topic we are going to see, these are the folders that is going to appear when you view the files. Different kinds of folders will appear, and then the more options will appear whatever files you have saved, and then you click the upper right corner of the window and then the option whatever you want to select the folders, you can click on that. Next we are going to study is extra large icons and large icons. Extra large icons gives the biggest view of the folders. Okay, this is the extra large icons whatever you have saved in your folder. You can open each folder and find out whatever you have saved in that folder. Each folder, open it and check it that whatever that this will not disappear anywhere. Whatever you save it in each folder, that will appear on the screen, and then you can select that folder. Okay, and then large folders, large icons also gives a bigger view of the folders, but the view is smaller when compared to extra large icons. Large icons also gives a bigger view of the but the view is smaller when compared to extra large icons. Okay, then you can click on each folder, and whatever folder you can give your own name to your each folder, and then to remember, and then you can click that folder whenever you want. You can open it and then you can view the folders. The next we are going to study is medium icons. Medium icons, it gives good idea of the content, but the icon size is smaller than the large icons. Okay, if it gives a good idea of the content, but the icon sizes are very smaller and the large icons. So whatever we have to keep it in a medium icons. If we keep in a large icon, the folder will get damaged, and then you have to make it into a small folders, so that you can add so many folders in the icons, and then you can use it. Whichever folder you want, all the files will get saved, and whatever folder you want, you can open that, and then you can go through each folder. Next we are going for small icons. Small icons are viewed in much smaller than the medium icons. Here the folders and files are displayed as icons with their names in the right side. If the file or folder name is big, it displays only the first part of it. I repeat, if the file or folder name is big, it displays only the first part of it. So whichever folder you are giving a name, that name will be seen. So it is easy for you to open your folder anytime. Now we are going to study about the list. In this view, the folders are displayed one below the other, followed by files. Okay, files. Sorry, folders are displayed one below the other, followed by files. These are the folders, and each folders are, you can see them, so many folders that you have saved in this list. So if you open one folder, then this many list will appear, and whatever you have saved in this folder, all will be appeared one by one. Now we study details. It is smaller to list view, but it gives more information. It is very smaller to list view, but it gives more information. The folder names are displayed first in one below the other, preceded by small icons, then followed by files. For folders, it displays date and time it was created or last modified. Details view is similar to list view buttons that gives more information in this view. Also, the folder names are displayed first one below the other, preceded by small icons, then followed by the files. For folders, it displays the date, the time it was created or last modified. Whatever date and time that you have given, that will be added in your each folder. And for files, it displays the file size, the application name along with the date and time it was created or last modified. Okay, to each folder your time and date is created in that automatically, and it is modified. It is modified. You can check any time which date you have done this, and then you can open your files. Next we will study about tiles. In tiles view, the files and folders are displayed as icons with their respective names on the right side. For files, it also displays the application name and the file size too. Here it displays the complete file folders names. When you save in each folder, when you open it, everything in detail, the date, time and what name you have given to each file, each video or each folder, whatever you have given, that will appear under the tiles. You can open and you can view them any time. Content. Content views displays the folder and files row-wise with detailed information. I repeat, content view displays the folders and files row-wise with detailed information. This is the lesson we are studying in the second unit, children. We have so far done so many things regarding the viewing files and folders, and then we were studying about the creation of a folder. In creation of folder, we have studied a lot how to open a file on your own. You can even rename if you want to give a new name to your file or folder. You can delete the previous name and you can put another name in that is called rename. You can even copy a file. You copy a file and then you can move your file to another document and then you can paste your file in that document. And if you don't want that, you can delete any time. You can delete any time and you can again start with a new folder. You can start with a new folder. You can use things like that also. And also we in Windows Explorer we studied that how to use Windows Explorer, how to open them. You have to click on start button and type Windows Explorer in the search box, and or if you are not getting that, you have another option that is called start. All programs will appear, then accessories will appear, then your Windows Explorer will start, and whatever you want to type you can start typing it. And then we studied about files, how you save your files under folders, drives in files, and you can open each file and you can check it what you have done in each file and folders. And we studied about features of Windows. Under that we studied about speed, touch, desktop gadgets, arrow shake, arrow snap. These are the things we have studied. These are all small icons that we see on the monitor. Okay, the whatever we see on the monitor, small things are called as icons. These are very important and easy for us to access and open immediately. These are the things we studied in Introduction to Windows 7, children. And these are the hard words that I have taken in this section 6 class. That is, the first one is extra large icons, medium icons, small icons, list, details, tiles and content. I want all of you to repeat after me. Look onto the screen, children. When I am saying each word, you should also repeat after me. Extra large icons. EXTRA. Extra. LARGE. Large. ICONS. Extra large icons. LARGE. Large. ICONS. Icons. Large icons. Medium. 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 ICONS. Medium icons. Small. 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 ICONS. Small icons. List. 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 Details. 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 Tiles. TILES. Content. 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 Children, please study the second lesson. Read the lesson. You all got the textbooks now. Please read the lesson again and again. and I'll be sending all the notes to you in WhatsApp. So write all the notes in your notebook. Write question and answers. If you have expand the following, you can even write expand the following in the notebook, and write all the objectives whatever I'm giving in the big book, that means textbook. You copy all the uh, answers, objective answers only in the textbook, children. Is it clear? So I'll be sending the details questions also, so copy that also in your classwork. So children, all of you, I hope you all went through the lesson 1 and 2 carefully. Go through that till we till I see you all in the next section. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can clarify and ask me. Okay, children. Thank you all. I'll see you all in the next section. Till then, please do what I said. Go through everything. Write all your notes. Complete your notes. And we shall have in the next class a test. I'm going to give you a test. So you have to write that test and show me. Thank you all, children. Be safe. Take care of yourself.